What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Wataru from deep in Kyoto. Today I'm on my way to meeting my friends. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook Mexican food with just Japanese products. So let's go see my friends first. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, I'm Yoko. Should I take this off? Sorry.
Alright.
I'm from Mexico, born and raised in Mexico, and I've been in Japan for almost 2 years.
Alright. Chilaki desu?
Okay.
Picadillo.
Chicali desu. Yeah, I'm Mexican. I promise you I'm Mexican even though
Picadillo.
I'm not Picadillo.
Ah, picadillo.
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 And chilaquiles.
Chilaki desu.
Yeah, because it's, yeah.
Let's make it.
Sorry.
So like, you're gonna make with just only Japanese products, okay?
Okay.
If you cannot find like Mexican one, you're gonna change it to like Japanese one, okay?
Okay.
And like, I'm gonna give you 3,000 yen and then let's make it.
Okay.
Take the money.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go.
Tomates verdes, chile serrano, que no hay, dientes de ajo, cebolla, y ya para la salsa, el pollo,
Pollo 俺知ってる。
pollo, chicken, yeah, pollo, tomates,
Tomato.
okay, chile serrano,
Chili powder.
chile, yeah, ajo. ちょっと待ってごめん
It means stupid in Japanese. Oh my god, you told me that.
I'm sorry. Yeah, but it doesn't mean the same in Spanish. Sorry, it's garlic in Spanish.
Ajo.
Ajo. But it's not going to be enough.
Alright, we're gonna find the green tomatoes. It's all red.
Right? There's no green like tomato.
But like, it tastes like tomato.
Yeah, but it's more like
Kind of spicy.
acid.
Acid.
Kind of.
Yep.
And then
Unfortunately, we don't have corn flour, right?
no, we don't have corn flour for making the tortillas.
Yeah.
We don't have nachos or totopos for making the the tortillas, the chilaquiles.
Yeah.
We don't have green tomatoes for making the chilaquiles. We don't have any ingredients for making the chilaquiles. And then he's so cool.
Okay. So we're gonna do what we want, okay?
Okay. For the chilaquiles, we had a problem because we didn't have anything.
Yeah.
So instead of normal tortillas, flour tortillas, and instead of green tomato and chili, we're going to use zucchini and avocado, Chinese, Japanese chili.
It's called shishito.
Okay, shisto.
Shishito.
And then the chicken,
Yeah, chicken.
that one, yeah.
Yep.
Onion. Probably a little bit of garlic too.
Okay.
And for the picadillo,
Picadillo.
we are going to use meat. This one.
Meat.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
And then pepper, chili thingies.
Dry pepper. Should be spicier.
Herbs, Italian herbs.
Yep. Italian herb mix.
Chicken consomme.
Yep. Paste of garlic. Frozen broccoli.
This one that is like a mix.
Vegetables.
Uh,
And then we're gonna cook chilaquiles.
and then picadillo. Probably we'll start with picadillo.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah. Chef Yoko, what are we gonna do first?
Okay, first, because it takes a lot of time,
Yeah.
we're just going to let this one boil stuff with a little bit of onion and with a little bit of garlic.
Yep.
So we're going to put a little bit of salt in there.
Wait, you don't need to cut it.
We don't need to cut it.
What?
No, we're going, like when it's finished, we're going to like do it like it's in small pieces.
Oh, okay.
Garlic paste instead of garlic.
And then put a taste on it.
And we're going to put a little bit of salt. That's it.
So what are we gonna do?
Okay, so we're going to leave it somewhere for it to cool down.
Okay.
And meanwhile, we're going to make the picadillo.
Alright.
And then we will use this one for the chilaquiles at the end.
Alright. So
Do that first.
yes. So what kind of shape
There.
it's gonna be for onion?
You, what kind of shape?
What loving, yeah?
Okay, so you need to cut it.
Here first.
Yeah.
Huh?
You need to cut it like small squares.
Ah, okay.
Let's see if he can marry because of knowing how to cook or not. I don't think you know how to cook.
You know what? Hold up. See?
That's super big. That's ginormous.
Really?
Yes.
Then.
Yeah. Just leave it like that.
It looks so nice.
Add the tomato sauce eventually.
Yup.
And also, because we don't have hierbas de olor, we're going to add Italian herb mix.
Yep.
That have basically the basic ones that we use.
Yep.
They're the same, so we're going to put a lot of it.
A lot.
Yeah.
It adds a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot. Right.
You're gonna put all over.
Yeah. And we're going to do a abuelita secret.
What?
Abuelita secret. Un
What?
secreto de abuelita. That's grandma's secret.
Okay.
You are a lazy abuela, you use this one, right? Instead of normal tomato.
Uh-huh.
And there's still like tomato in there. So what you do, there, and then we can just let it there, and we can use this one. And here, there. Ta-da!
Yay.
Is we're going to add these ones,
Broccoli.
and these ones,
Mixed vegetables.
and
To put there?
yeah, and then it's like that.
It's colorful. Yay! And it's almost done.
And that's it. No, like literally right now it's just done.
Yay!
I'm just going to leave the